Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a payment method to your Shopify account. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to want to do once you're logged into Shopify, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now. Then once you're here, you're going to want to go into the bottom left and into settings. Once you click settings, this window here will pop up, and here you have a lot of these, options that you can use. Now, as you can see, here we have the billing address, which you can set up if you want to, or you can go into plan and select a new plan which you want to choose. And if you choose one, you will be prompted to actually enter a payment method, or well, you won't be able to add a plan if you don't. However, if you already have a plan and you want to change the billing address, you can easily just go into billing, and from here you'll be able to add a payment method. As you can see here, just click here, and as you can see, you can choose whichever you want. You have credit card and you have PayPal, and all you have to do is enter the card number or all the card information, then enter the billing address if you want, and then once you're done, you just click add credit card, and once your next billing cycle continues, then you'll be billed on that card, and that is pretty much it. Now, I'm not sure exactly how it works if you have two payment methods. I'm pretty sure you have to select a main one, and if that doesn't have enough money, it'll select these secondary ones. However, that is unclear to me, and I'll leave that up to you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.